Huh, yes, I'm in the Kohl's Design It Lab. I'll have the items to you right away.
Megan, where are the cookies? We have to test the cookies today.
I don't know. Let's grab our forensics kits and go find them.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta be careful with these cookies. There's been a lot of reported incidents lately. Nowhere's safe.
Let's find some clues.
Smells like crime. And today it's chocolate chip. I don't know though.
Look, the door monitor. It's been tripped. I think we're onto something.
But John, I found sandwiches. We should just eat some sandwiches. Take a nice break, eat some sandwiches.
Megan, if we don't find these cookies, our books will be burnt and our study will be stale.
Do you want a bite?
When did you first notice the cookies were missing? So tell me, did this culprit have big white eyes, blue hair, and an obsession for baked delights?
Megan, there's no use crying over spilled milk.
It's not the milk, John. They forgot my mustard.
Well, look, I think there's a clue here.
That's not a clue, John. It's just milk. Maybe it'll tell us where my mustard is. I don't...
Look, the counter. It's the clue we've been looking for. This is where the cookie thief will lie. I know who did it!
And you can too if you come into the Kohl's Design It Lab any weekend in the month of October. See you there!